Hello everyone. Good afternoon everyone. It's 24th of May 2020, which is number 6, which is governed by Venus energy. Venus energy is basically determines your love, care, your family, your relationships. So basically it's the energy which will take care of all this stuff today. So you need to work on your emotions, you need to work on your basic instincts like intuition, related to your family, related to your relationship with yourself first and with others later. So with this, here I am again live from just I am on Rivers Bank. If you can see it, I'm at my ancestral place, like it's in Sonipat. So let me take out cards for today. So I need to place this camera somewhere, and let me be very quick doing that. Okay, let me place it like this. I don't know whether. Yes. Okay, perfect. So now I have the speaker through which I'll be able to, chat with you guys. So let me quickly take out the cards for today. So as per the Angel Tarot cards, so the cards which are applicable for today. So I'm taking out cards for today. So the first card which came is this card which is released, card number 13, which is number 4, which basically means end of a phase of situation, spiritual transformation, time to move on, time to move into a new direction, or time to just close a chapter in your life which is no more serving for your highest good. So let's see what else is. This is the anchor card. What information is it trying to tell us? It's Knight of Earth, okay, which is a messenger. It's time to buckle down and get things done. Honor your commitments, a guardian angel. Basically, you should honor yourself, you should be loyal, you should be dedicated, you should be kind to your own self and to the others who are related to you. That is very important. Okay, so with this, let me take out one more card, which is obstructions or obstacles for today, which is justice. Justice will come to your life. It's a major arcana card, which is number 8, which is Shani card, like Shani Saturn energy. Justice, fair and just decisions will be taken for you. Do what you know is right. Stand up for your belief system. Do not wait. Time is ripe. You need to work. You need to you need to come out, and you need to show this to the world that what you are thinking is absolutely correct. Okay. So by the time when I am finishing with today's reading, you can ask your questions also. If you want one card reading to be done from me, I'll do that for you guys. You do that and you ask your question, and I'll try to answer to you guys, and enjoy this background. With this, let's take out a guidance card for today. Guidance card is Ace of Water. I was telling you need to balance your emotions. So Ace of Water is starting with falling in love with yourself, or maybe with somebody else, or reassurance from an existing relationship, or from somebody will say I love you, a person will say yes. Spiritual growth, enhance intuition, and new home. You could go to a new home, new place. I came to a new home, my ancestral home. I came. So it is like that. So let's see what the final outcome for today. So Seven of Air. Seven of Air is basically thoughts, which is plans that needs revision, more going on that meets the eye, poor timing. Your planning should be perfect. Today's day of love. It's not a day of planning at all, but there'll be renewal. It will be family day today, 20, which is card number 2020, which is moon energy. Review and evaluate your family life. A favorable assessment of the fair time to move in a new direction along with your family and friends. Okay, so this is what the cards for today say. And let me quickly take out the fairy cards for today. So I will just let you know what they mean. So we know you'll not be able to see me because I'm taking cards out from my card. So just bear with me. So here we go. Let's see what the fairy card tells all of us. Thank you, Ashok. So I know I'm doing it outside, so there's a background noise going on, but yes, it's positive expectations. You know what? If you're working on your relationship and you're working and you're trying to heal and asking for a justice, I think the 2 people or 3 people who are watching and people who joined, they are facing some relationship struggles in their life, including me. So it means that there'll be positive expectations. There'll be after that it would be romantic partner. Look at it, how cards are coming from the romance angels only. You will get your romantic partner. And one more card, I'm getting an intuition to take it out, is vacation. Today I'm on vacation and a card came for me. So the thing is this, go on vacation, enjoy yourself with your family and friends. Today is the day to rejuvenate, renewal. This day might not come because you will again be busy after lockdown gets open. I got a call from the Commissioner Shirdi and from the Police Commissioner Mathura. They have had my consultations done. So I told them, okay, on 27th June, mandirs are opening. They said, oh my God, how do you know? That circulation just came to us. I told them that my guards were saying the same thing because 27th June, it would be 101, 101 दिन हो जाएंगे शिरडी को बंद हुए, 17 मार्च को बंद हुआ था. तो जैसे शिशुपाल को 101 गलतियों पे कृष्ण ने मारा था, जैसे 101 साल बाद शिरडी बंद हुआ 1919 के बाद, 2019 में कोविड-19 के बाद. जैसे फकीर जो मेरी किताब है जो मैं लिख रहा हूँ, जिसके ऊपर मूवी बनेगी, वो उसको भी, उसमें भी यात्रा है. इट्स लाइक फकीर अल्टीमेट यात्रा फ्रॉम 1990 to 2019. And you know, this, I just love this branch, like it's like doing that hawa for me. So thank you so much for watching in. I cannot see any questions. If you have any questions, you can type in later. I'll reply them back to you. I'll put that on YouTube. Thank you so much for making my channel monetized. Within 15 days, I got more than 1400 subscribers. My YouTube identified me as a content creator, and my contents are related to spirituality, related to easy going, related to spirit, because I've come from IT industry, so I club spirituality with practicality. That's what I do. I found this place very interesting, so I thought like I should make my video today because I did not go live. So with that, thank you so much for watching in. Do send your comments, do send your questions. Right now I cannot see the comments because the camera is just far away from me. But yes, what else is possible? How does it get any better than this? And you know what I always say, sharing is caring. So do you want to share? Do you want to share? You want to share? Come. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.